Hi guys, I'm Lana.
And I'm Ava.
And today we're going to celebrate Christmas in July and make Christmas sugar cookies. Let's begin. You will need 2 cups of salted butter, which is 4 sticks, and they need to be room temperature. You will also need 2 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 6 cups flour. So we need to get this and put this here. Wait, we don't have a spoon.
Lana.
We have a spoon. So we need to add butter and sugar to our bowl. Okay, that's already 2 cups. There we go. So I am going to have to mix the butter and sugar until we have it. Until we have it completely mixed. But we have to plug it in before we can start. So I'm going to smash it down first. Okay, I'll just start it. Okay, now we need to add the vanilla and eggs, and you want to mix that until, well, you just need to mix that. So I'm going to put this over it, and it's very slowly. Okay, that's about 1. And I need 2.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, 2. Okay, that's 2. I'm very bad at cracking eggs.
I am harder. I always make
It gets everywhere, but I don't make the eggs.
I always make the egg
So
get inside it.
So now there's like yolk all over the table. Mixed again. So I'm gonna.
And I'm gonna do that.
Okay, and now we are going to add the baking soda, which is this. And we need of the baking soda 4 teaspoons. Or the baking powder. It's not baking soda, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, it's baking powder. Sorry. Okay, I don't want it going everywhere, so I'm going to do it. And now we're going to mix in the flour 2 cups at a time.
Let me get this by me.
Ava's going to add 2 cups, and now mix again. And then all that is 6 cups of flour. Ava's hands are messy. I need 1 more scoop.
It don't have to be completely full, baby. It don't have to be left.
I know it's going to be left.
And I'm going to kind of
Mix
mix
it
it
around
here right now. And then I'm going to... And I'm going to use
some on my
the spoon and kind of mix it again. Okay, it's starting to turn into more of the dough I was looking at. It's becoming more doughy. At the beginning, it kind of looked like chocolate chips, but now it looks more like a dough. It's still really small little spots. Eva, would you like to turn mix again with the spoon?
I don't know what I'm doing. Trying to knead it. It ain't kneading, alright.
It's doing better than what it looked like before, though. Okay, so we're going to use the mixer again. So it's back to the stage where it's really crumbly
And crunchy.
And I'm going to set this here.
Then,
And we have some flour on this plate, and we're going to sprinkle it onto our work surface.
we'll make it Sprinkle.
Okay.
I know.
Okay, that should be enough
I'm the
flour.
master. Spread all this.
So you are going to now roll a handful of the dough onto the place you put the flour on, and you want it to be about this thick. It's about 3/8 inches and right inches. Okay, inches, and you're going to cut out the shapes. So we're just adding handfuls
Like this.
at a time of dough onto the work surface. Okay, and now we'll have our roller. Should we sprinkle some? Okay, so we're gonna sprinkle
Gonna get some stuff on top of this.
flour onto the roller so it doesn't stick
Put in flour here.
to the roller. And I've never sprinkled flour on the roller, so I'm trying to get it on the whole thing. Okay, so that should be good. I'm gonna set this back over there.
I'm just kneading.
And I'm gonna kind of flat that down, and I'm gonna go. This might take a little bit.
I'm already flat mine down to roll.
Okay, now we're gonna go to this one and let Ava do it.
Whoa. Let's bag it. Okay, try to push it down. How am I?
Ready, go up
Who's
first.
that? Okay.
Is this I'm gonna use the bell
Oh, no.
and cut out a piece
Oh no.
right here.
I'm just gonna move this around a little.
And we have a bell. And we are going to put, so once you cut them out, you want to get
Correct.
a pan and put parchment paper over it.
Good, Mama.
And I'm just going to set that there. I don't know if you can
Just
see
a
it or not.
little bit
And you're
more.
going to set the cookie you cut onto the parchment paper.
I'm gonna use no, not the drum.
So I'm gonna
snowman.
So Ava's using a snowman, and I'm going to use the Christmas tree. Christmas tree, Christmas tree. So Ava made a lovely star.
I'm gonna rub this back.
So I'm going to make this into a pile again.
I'll go right first. Smash
We're
it.
gonna get some more dough.
I have lots of dough.
So
The
we
dough
have
smells delicious.
cookies. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Onto the pan.
Okay.
Just like this. And you're going to now. So you're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes when you cook the cookies. So if you're cooking small cookies like we did, you need to cook the cookies for only 6 minutes long. But if you're using the larger shaped cookies, you have to cook it for 8 minutes. So we've already preheated our oven. So we didn't have to wait for it. There's flour all in the floor.
Because of me.
So we're gonna set the cookies.
I'm gonna already do
I'm
some more
always
shapes.
afraid I'm gonna burn myself. So where's all the oven yet? We haven't done our oven yet, I think. There's one. It was on this side. And I'm gonna set in the cookies.
What the?
Make sure you open the door all the way.
Well, I can do it myself.
Put your doors on.
I know this. And we're gonna set the timer for 6 minutes. And we're just gonna keep out cutting out cookies. So we have now baked the cookies and then we have let them cool. And we are going to make the frosting while the ones that just got out of the oven cool. So before we start beginning, we decided to become fashionable. And I'm wearing a hat now, and me and Ava are wearing aprons that look the same. Now we can begin. So if you want to make this frosting, you need 4 cups of powdered sugar. 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks. 2 to 3 teaspoons of vanilla. 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. Now we can start making the icing. So we are going to add this room temperature butter and vanilla to bowl, and we are going to mix that until it has completely combined. So I'll add
Butter.
a stick of butter, and Ava's gonna add a stick of butter.
Oh no, this butter melted, I think.
Well, it's not melted, it's just room temperature. And we also have a huge spoon, because we might need that.
Right.
Ew. Okay. And we need to add our vanilla. We are adding 2 teaspoons, but you can add 3 if you need to.
Whiskey.
And we are now going to mix it. So
Mix.
I'm going to
Pump it.
make it to where it's at the bottom. Now we are going to add the powdered sugar and beat on low until it is mixed in. So get the powder sugar.
How much good?
I guess just,
How many?
Just a little bit at a time.
So
so I did like 2 or 3.
that's like 2.
It's
But
okay.
I'll take that one.
We just need a little bit of time so we don't. Okay, that should be good.
Milky. Okay. So,
Where did that come
so shall we
from?
get 2 more? Or
Yeah, you can do 2 or
just
3
2
more.
more to do it. That's like 3.
It's okay.
But
And
I'll
we
follow
will
it.
mix this again.
Blue. Buttery.
Okay, and now we're gonna add the rest of the powdered sugar in the bowl.
Yeek. Oh, wrong geek.
Oh gosh, there's some in the floor. Oh,
Oopsie.
I stepped on it. Okay, time for the last mix.
Count to 3 in your head and then start the next step. Okay, a minute.
Wait, it dropped, so I have to count 3 again.
Ava, open your eyes. Alright, so
Now the next step after you pour in the powdered sugar is to move the mixture to medium high speed and scrape sides and bottom of bowl often. So we did that already. Now we need to add milk a little bit at a time until frosting is proper consistency. So we are using 2 tablespoons of milk. So add a little bit of the milk.
Where's the judge?
Just pour a little bit.
A little?
Yes, and we're gonna add a
all of
little
it?
bit. No, a little bit, because we're gonna add a little bit at a time. Being so careful. So
Here, use it a little.
yeah, I know, but I know.
And when I mean little, I mean
I think that much now.
mixy mix.
Now add a little bit more of the milk. Okay, here.
I got it.
Okay, add. You don't have to add a tiny bit, just a little.
Kind of. Oh, add the hug that?
Okay, we added the rest of
This
that.
is good. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Can I do it?
Yeah, you can do some. Now just say like this.
Oh, like that.
Okay, I think that should be
Good.
good. And we have our spoon again, and we're gonna scrape the sides. Okay, that should be good. That's it. Right here. Go for this napkin to fit this fall.
Then you get a bow.
And we're going to so we are gonna dye our frostings. We have neon pink, neon green, neon purple, and neon orange. We are using gel food coloring. I don't think you have to use gel. I guess you could use regular, but that's what we're using. So we're gonna spread the icing evenly into each cup.
Evenly.
Let me help you.
Let me do it. No, is this milk? Try to make
You're trying to make it even.
I can lick that up later. That's my little hat. You probably have enough by now.
I'm gonna set the bowl aside.
For me. Yeah.
And I'm gonna get 4 smaller spoons. Ava, please do the honors.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay, you can do.
That was a 4 and 4.
Okay, so 1, 2. Those are your 2 bowls. These are my 2 bowls. So which colors do you want to do?
Okay, give me purple, and I will do
Okay, and I'm gonna do pink and
just a little drop right.
yes, you. Oh, it's already open.
Get off.
So
Get off.
let's set the color that we use in
Okay.
front of the one that we.
So I'm gonna.
They all look red. That's weird. Okay, I'm gonna mix it.
Yours
And
does.
we're gonna add more if it's not dark enough.
Mine both looks like dark black. We might need that more. Okay.
Is this your purple?
That's not purple and blue.
green.
I don't want it to leak, Lana.
They won't. We're just gonna keep them in front of that so we don't forget. We're gonna have pink snowman. Oh, what? Okay, that's good.
I've never seen a pink.
It looks like this pink reminds me of like baby showers, and you kind of guess if it's a boy or a girl. It reminds me of the girl one.
Okay, I'm just starting to do this.
Did we get blue? Oh no, I thought we had blue first.
You really have.
We have now colored our frosting and put the frosting in the bags. You can use whatever colors you would like to. We just chose these 4 colors. Now we are going to decorate the cookies in just any way we want to, and y'all can do the same, or y'all can just go online and choose something to put. So I will be coloring, or not color, but icing a gingerbread man.
And I will be doing the Christmas tree. And
Okay, I'm going to use.
oh, I use a lot, but I send
Squeeze from the top.
Okay. Okay.
That's all.
And
Amish.
gonna make an outline.
Whoa.
Man,
Okay. There we go.
that's look good.
Wait, that was way too much. First one done.
Really? That's your first one already?
Yes.
I'm still just trying to make the
This is mine. This is gonna be pink and I guess black. Well, no, brown.
Yes, and give him buttons.
I'm gonna try to put on the sheet.
Well, he's everything. He's a gingerbread man. Oh, that did not turn out how I wanted it to.
Why?
Okay.
Here's done. Okay, I'm gonna do a
Avery's going quick. So here's my first one. It's a gingerbread man.
Got his name. Got his name.
Let's sit
Here's-
down. Right here.
Get your hand out.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like
Subscribe.
and hit the bell.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.